Good morning, students of Westerberg High. I'm Principal Gowan, and these are your morning announcements. Should someone pull the fire alarm again today, please be aware that the fire exits are to your left and to your right. No electronic devices are to be turned on, so please make sure you turn off all pagers, Walkman, Game Boys. Guns are not allowed on school property. However, should you see one, there is a good chance it will be loud. Before classes resume, we will have a small presentation, so please sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
September 1st, 1989. Dear Diary, I believe I'm a good person. You know, I think that there's good in everyone, but here we are. First day of senior year! I look around at these kids I've known my whole life and I ask myself, what happened?
Freak, slut, burnout, bug-eyed, poser, bored ass.
We were so tiny, happy and shiny, playing tag and getting chased.
Freak, slut, loser, short bus.
Singing and clapping, laughing and napping, baking cookies, eating paste.
Bull-eyed, stuck-up, hunchback.
Then we got bigger, that was the trigger, like the Huns invading Rome. I'm sorry. Welcome to my school, St. High School. This is the Thunderdome. Hold your breath and count the days we're graduating soon.
White trash.
College will be paradise if I'm not dead by June. But I know, life can be beautiful. I pray for a better way. If we change back then, we could change again. We could be beautiful.
Ow!
Just not today. Hey, are you okay?
Wait, nerd. Freak, slut, cripple, homo.
Things will get better as soon as my letter comes from Harvard to Fort Brown. So much, then I can blow this town. I dream of ivy-colored walls and smoky French cafes. Despite the urge to strike a match, he sat inside the lake. Graham Sweeney, 3rd year as linebacker and 8th year of smacking lunch trays and being a huge dick.
What did you say to me, skank?
Nothing. But I know, beautiful. I pray for a better way. We were kind before, we could be kind once more. We could be beautiful. Hey, Martha. Hey. Martha Dunstock, my best friend since diapers. She's got a huge heart, but around here that's not enough. We on Friday night? Yeah, you're on Jimmy Pop detail. I rented the Princess Bride. Again? Don't you have it memorized by now? What can I say? I'm a sucker for a happy ending.
Martha, don't run! Why?
Kurt Kelly, quarterback. He is the smartest guy on the football team. Which is kind of like being the tallest dwarf. You pick that up right now.
I'm sorry. Are you actually talking to me? My buddy Kurt asked you a question.
I want to know what gives you the right to pick on my friend. You're a high school has-been waiting to happen. A future gas station attendant.
You gotta sit right there.
Dear Diary. mighty Heather. She is a mythic bitch. Never bothered, never harassed. I would give anything to be like that.
I'd like to be their boyfriend.
That would be beautiful. So beautiful.
I'd like them to be Marisa.
That would be beautiful.
I would like to kidnap Heather and photograph her naked and leave her in an abandoned warehouse tied up for the rats.
Grow up, Heather. Bulimia is so 87.
Heather, I think I need a mint.
What you need, Heather, is to see a doctor.
I hate my doctor. He smells like Chikari bar.
Heather and Heather. And Heather. Maybe you didn't hear the bell over all the vomiting. You're late for class.
Heather wasn't feeling well. We're helping her.
Not without a hall pass, you're not. Weeks detention. Actually, you're swimming all four of us are out on a hall pass, so you're booked. I see you're all listed. Hurry up and get where you're going.
This is an excellent forgery. Who are you?
Veronica. Sawyer? I crave a boon.
What boon?
Let me sit at your table at lunch just once, no talking necessary. If people think that you guys tolerate me, they'll leave me alone. Before you answer, I also do report cards, permission slips, and absence notes.
How about prescriptions?
Shut up, Heather.
Sorry, Heather.
You know, for a greasy little nobody, you do have good bone structure.
And a symmetrical face. You know, if I took a meat cleaver down the center of your skull, I'd have matching crowns.
That's super important.
Although you can stand to lose a few pounds.
And you know, this could be beautiful. Mascara, maybe some lip gloss, and we're on our way. Give the girl some blush, and I'll need your brush. Let's make her beautiful. Let's make her beautiful. Okay?
Okay.
Out of my way, D. I want y'all all. We're gonna die at 3 p.m.
Don't you dare touch me. Get away, pervert.
What did I ever do to them?
Who's arthritis? I can have skin flips. I think I'm dying. Who's that with Heather?
Whoa.
And someone. Veronica?
Veronica, Veronica, Veronica.
Oh my God, it's beautiful. I might be beautiful. It's been 3 weeks since I've been friends with the Heathers. Friends isn't the right word exactly. It's more like the Heathers are people I work with and our job is being popular and shit. Veronica! Hey Martha, you really are looking beautiful these days. Oh, it's the same me underneath. Are you sure? Well, I'm really sorry I flaked out on movie night last week. I've had a lot going on. I get it. You're with the Heathers now. It's really exciting. It's whatever, but we'll hang soon, I promise.
Veronica! Heather says to help axe to the cat. Ronto.
How very.
Ah, Veronica, I need a forgery in Ram Sweeney's handwriting. You'll need something to write on. Heather, bend over. Hi, honey. I've been watching you and thinking about us in the old days. I hope that you can make it to my homecoming party this weekend. I miss you. Love, Ram. Put an XO after the signature.
What's this for anyway?
You know how Ram used to hang out with Martha Dump Truck?
Yeah, in kindergarten, we all did. We all ate
kissed by the kickball field.
Oh my god, that's right. Ram kissed Martha Dump Truck. It was disgusting. Perfect. Hey, Ram, come here.
What do you think Heather wants?
Okay, alright, so I bet she wants you to set her down at your Johnson, right, and just spin her around like a goddamn pig.
Hell yeah! Punch it in! What's up, babe?
Be a sweetie, give this to Martha Dump.
What? No.
Since when you talk to that lard ass?
Oh, don't read it. She's having an extra heavy flow and wanted some advice from my gyno.
God damn it, that's fucking disgusting!
Martha's had a thing for Ram for like 12 years now. This will kill her. Come on, Heather, you're bigger than this.
Are we gonna have a problem? You got a bone to pick? You've come so far. Why now are you pulling on my dick? I normally slap your face off, and everyone here could watch. But I'm feeling nice. Here's some advice. Listen up, biatch. I like hot vines of bacon. I like drinking hard knocks, and that's bread and coffee. I like giving Jim scare and her screwing him. I like killer clothes, kicking nerds in the nose. Let go of all lady dolls, let your heart please you and whoa! Boy, you can come slow, just come and go. In that voice from the cornerback. Whoa, 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 buddy, what you waiting for? Welcome to my candy store. Time for you to prove you're not a laser anymore. Step into my candy store. The guys all act for me, pay the check, help me cheat. All you have to do is say goodnight to shampoo. That freak's not your friend. I can tell in the end. If she had your shot, she would leave you to rot. And get in my Jeep. Let's go tear up the sun, fun, fun. What you waiting for? Welcome to my candy store. You got a groove, you're not a pussy anymore. Step into my candy store. You can join the team, or you can bitch and moan. Live the dream, or you can die alone. You can fight for me, or if you prefer, keep on testing me. And it's not like her.
Veronica, look! Ram invited me to his homecoming party tonight. See, I told you there was something still there. This proves he's been thinking about me. Color me stoked. I'm so happy.
Shouldn't have gone down to the squash dogs and Diet Coke heads. They're gonna crush that girl.
Sorry, what?
You've clearly got a soul. You just need to work harder keeping it clean. We're all born marked for evil.
Okay, don't go Baudelaire me and just walk away. Excuse me, I didn't catch your name.
I didn't throw it.
Who's that guy Jack think he's anyway? Bo Diddley?
Well, Veronica's into his act, no doubt, man.
Let's kick his ass.
Dude, we're seniors. We're too old for that shit.
Hey, sweetheart. What did you tell your boyfriend when you told him you were moving to Sherwood, Ohio?
My buddy Kurt asked you a question.
Hey, Ram, does this cafeteria have a no fags allowed rule?
No fags, yeah.
Seems to have an open door policy for assholes, though.
Hold his orders.
Why, when I see boys fight, does it look so horrible yet? Feels so right.
not pate, that's liverwurst.
I'm aware of that, Heather. It's a family joke.
Oh, funny.
Damn it! Will somebody please tell me why I read these spy novels?
Because you're an idiot, Dad.
Oh yeah, that's it.
You too. So, girls, any big plans for tonight?
Oh, there's a homecoming party at Brandon Sweeney's house. I'm catching a ride with Heather.
Speaking of which,
Right. Great pate, Mom, but we got a motor if we're gonna catch that party.
oops.
Veronica, don't let these popular girls change you.
I need them.
What for? You have other friends. You have Martha.
Maybe I want more out of life than liverwurst.
Those girls seem really nice.
Veronica, don't forget the corn nuts! It's not a party without corn nuts!
Yes, Heather. Plain or BQ?
BQ!
Greetings and salutations. You want a Slurpee with that?
No, but if you're nice, I'll let you buy me a big
It's like
one.
going to Mickey D's to order a salad. Slurpee's the signature dish of the house. Would you say cherry or lime?
I said big girl. I'm Veronica Sawyer, by the way. You ever gonna tell me your name?
I'll end the suspense. Jason Dean. Or JD for short.
So, JD, that thing you pulled in the calf today was pretty, severe.
The extreme always seems to make an impression.
So what brings a Baudelaire-quoting badass like you to Sherwood, Ohio?
My dad's work. He owns a deconstruction company.
Deconstruction?
Yeah, the old man seems to enjoy tearing things down. You've probably seen the commercial. I'm Big Butt Dean. If it's in your way, I'll make your day.
Right. And then he pushes the plunger and the whole screen blows up. So that's your day.
In all his toxic glory.
Well, everyone's life has got static.
Veronica!
Example, I don't really like my friends.
Yeah, I don't really like your friends either. Bag the party. Hang here.
The 7-Eleven, swanky first date.
Hey, I love this place.
No offense, but why?
I've been through 10 high schools. They start to get blurry. No point planting roots, cause you're gone in a hurry. My dad keeps 2 suitcases packed in the den, so it's only a matter of when. I don't learn the names, don't bother with faces. All I can trust is this concrete oasis. Seems every time I'm about to despair, there's a 7-Eleven right there. Each store is the same, from Las Vegas to Boston. Linoleum aisles that I love to get lost in. I pray at my altar of slush. Yeah, I live for that sweet frozen rush. Freeze your brain. Suck on that straw, get lost in the pain. Happiness comes when everything comes. Who needs no pain? Freeze your brain. Freeze your brain. Care for a hit?
Does your mommy know you eat all this crap?
Not anymore. When Mom was alive, we lived halfway normal. Now it's just me and my dad, we're less formal. I learned to cook pasta, I learned to pay rent. Learn the world doesn't owe you a cent. You're planning your future, Veronica Sawyer. You go to some college, marry a lawyer, but the sky's gonna hurt when it falls. So you better start building some walls. Free your brain, swim in the ice, get lost in the pain. Shut your eyes tight till you eventually sight, but nothing remains. Free your brain, shatter your skull by pain. just freeze your brain. Freeze your brain. Hold and freeze your brain. Try it.
I don't really see what the bit asks. Oh, son of a bitch!
Oh, Veronica.
I gotta go.
So I see.
Corn nuts?
Yes, Heather.
Wave goodbye to Red Dawn over here and let's motor.
Okay, Ram, have fun tonight, but I want you to act your age. Now, the Henshaws have our number down at the cabin. If they call to complain, I'm going to drive back here and knock the sand out of your vagina.
Dude, what am I, 5?
I am not your dude. I am your dad.
That goes double for you, Kurt. You're a guest in Bill's house. You will show it respect.
Sure thing, dude.
Hold his arms.
What, Dad? No, Dad, get away! All right!
Sorry?
I'm a sissy. A big fat sissy.
That's right. Enjoy your party, son.
Punch it in.
Oh, shit.
Man, that sucks! Dude, who cares? The parents are gone? I got my party slippers on! God says act your age, you heard the man, it's not the rain.
Blast the bass, turn out the light. Ain't nobody home tonight.
Drink, smoke, and let me get it up.
Punch the wall and start a fight. Ain't nobody home tonight.
Folks gotta You know, people wouldn't hate you so much if you acted normal. There's no alcohol in here. Are you trying to poison me?
Dang, dang, ding, dang, 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 ding, dang, 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 ding, dang, dang, ding, dang, dang. Oh my God!
It's time for big fun.
Big fun, we're up till dawn.
Having some big fun.
Big fun,
Let the speakers blow. They'll buy another stereo. Our clothes got us blue about half the shit their children do. Why are they surprised whenever we're unsupervised? Big fun.
big fun,
Big fun.
big fun.
Big fun. Big fun.
Time to celebrate our victory over the Razorback by whacking apart their mascot. So we need a volunteer to take the first swing at the pinata. Martha, don't stop.
What?
I think you should have the honors.
Oh, I don't really know how to play this game, so it's okay.
Let's show this girl some Westerberg spirit.
Yeah.